everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel or end your subscriptions, maybe for PlayStation Plus or something else, on your PS5, so your credit card doesn't get charged again without you knowing. So let's go up to the top, we go to Settings, then scroll on down to Users and Accounts. Then under Accounts, let's wait for this to load, then go to the right and go on down to Payment and Subscriptions. Manage your payment methods and subscriptions. Then we want to go to where it says subscriptions. Then choose PlayStation Plus or whatever else you have. Then right here we can see our subscription. So we can buy again, change plan, or it should say like cancel or end your subscription in the bottom left. Mine says reactivate because I already have it canceled. And you should see an expiration date. Mine is 1/6 of 2025. So if you do see like auto renew date right there underneath expiration date, make sure you go ahead and cancel it in the bottom left. Otherwise, you're going to be getting charged again on that specific date. But if you want to go ahead and change your plan, you can upgrade at any point in time to extra or premium or essentials right here. So this is the section you want to go to cancel out the auto renew so your credit card doesn't get charged. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.